Hello and welcome. In this video we take care about the function ABS in Python. This function returns the absolute value of a number. The syntax is very simple. You just have ABS and in brackets the argument n, and the argument n is any given number you want. So if you have an integer like -10 or a floating number like -20.55 or even a complex number like 3 minus 4j, and you apply the function to these numbers, then you get the absolute value. For complex numbers, you get their magnitude. So if we run the program, and you see for -10, the ABS function, you get 10. For -20.55, you get the absolute value 20.55. And for the complex number, 3 minus 4j, you get its magnitude 5. So that's it. And if you like the video, please give me a like, and please write some comments if you want. And I would appreciate if you subscribe to the channel, but no pressure. So stay ambitious somehow, and we'll see us next time. Bye.